Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this mathematical expression 5 plus 12 divided by parenthesis 6 divided by 2 into 3. This one is very tricky one, but we will solve it step by step so you don't feel difficult. So as we know with PEMDAS, parenthesis exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. First we will do the parenthesis part. So here parenthesis part, when we solve it, what we will get 5 plus 12 divided by 6 divided by 2, which equals to 3 into 3. Now as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority. Okay, and in that case we have to solve from left to right, and in this case actually for this part, not whole, this part we have to solve from left to right. So again, first option will be 12 divided by 3 and then we will do multiplication with 3. First 12 divided by 3, which will become 4 into 3. Now this will be very simple operations. Now again 5 plus 4 times 3, that equals to 12, and after adding this 5 and 12 we will get 70s as our answer. So 17 is the final answer, and if you want to check out great books in mathematics, go in description and comment your real answer. Try by your own and comment your real answer, and if you succeed then I will give you heart. Okay, keep watching and subscribe on our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.